Welcome to Plovdiv, a city where ancient history meets modern vibrancy. Get ready to explore cobblestone streets, Roman ruins, and a thriving cultural scene. Plovdiv is a city of contrasts, a place where history and innovation coexist in perfect harmony. It's a city that invites you to explore, to discover, and to experience the true soul of Bulgaria. Come and discover Plovdiv, a city that will leave an indelible mark on your heart. Stay until the end of the video and enjoy this beautiful city. Plovdiv, Bulgaria's second largest city, is a captivating blend of ancient history and vibrant modernity. Nestled across 7 hills, it's one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in Europe, boasting a rich tapestry of Thracian, Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman influences. Step into the heart of the city and wander through the beautifully preserved ancient theater of Philippopolis, a testament to Roman grandeur. Explore the charming cobbled streets of the Old Town, where colorful Revival-era houses line the pathways, revealing hidden courtyards and art galleries. The Old Town of Plovdiv is a truly remarkable place, steeped in layers of history. It's one of the oldest continuously inhabited places in Europe, with settlements dating back to around 4000 BC. The Old Town is situated on 3 of Plovdiv's hills, Nebet Tepe, Jambaz Tepe, and Taksim Tepe. Nebet Tepe is a location where the oldest ruins of the city can be found and is a great location for viewing sunsets. Today, the Old Town of Plovdiv is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting visitors from around the globe. It's a place where history comes alive, where you can walk the same streets as merchants and artists from centuries ago. The ancient theater of Philippopolis is a major attraction, a well-preserved Roman theater still used for performances. Discover the remnants of the Roman Stadium, or immerse yourself in the spiritual atmosphere of the numerous churches and mosques that dot the landscape. Each house is a museum in itself, a window into the lives of wealthy merchants and artisans. Plovdiv is a city that embraces its past while looking towards the future. Its thriving art scene, its numerous museums, and its lively festivals make it a true cultural hub. One of the famous tunnel passes under the ancient theater, originally named after Georgy Dimitrov, built in the 1950s. It's a 2-way tunnel, 260 meters long and 18 in wide. In 2015, about 60% of the north-south traffic in Plovdiv passed through this tunnel. Forget the dusty history books for a moment, because Plovdiv isn't just a relic of the past. It's a city pulsating with modern energy, a place where ancient foundations support a vibrant contemporary lifestyle. Yes, we've explored the Roman ruins and the Revival architecture, but now, let's dive into the Plovdiv of today. Glavnata is more than just a street. It's the soul of Plovdiv. This pedestrian paradise stretches through the heart of the city, connecting ancient landmarks with modern life. This street is built on layers of history. You can feel it. Glavnata stretches from Central Square to Novotel Plovdiv and has a total length of 1.8 kilometers. making it the longest pedestrian street in Europe. Just a few meters from the central post office is the Tsar Simeon Garden. In this beautiful park is a beloved escape for locals and visitors alike. It's a place to unwind, to reconnect with nature and to discover a peaceful side of Plovdiv. In the garden you can find many lakes and fountains filled with Japanese goldfish. Tsar Simeon's garden is a place where you can escape the hot sun and relax under the shady trees. And when night falls over the city, the garden explodes in different colors because of its singing fountains.
Plovdiv is a charming city that hides a lot of history in its heart. The Forum Philippopolis is a significant historical site that offers a glimpse into the Roman era of the city. The Forum complex includes the remains of various structures such as a basilica, an odeon, temples, and public buildings. It was built in the first AD centers, specifically during the reign of Emperor Vespasian. The site is open to the public, allowing visitors to experience a piece of ancient Roman history. The city center is also a showcase of Bulgarian revival architecture. These colorful houses with their ornate facades and wooden details tell stories of Plovdiv's rich cultural heritage. Immerse yourself in the bustling atmosphere, where locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy the cafes, shops, and cultural attractions. Each corner reveals a new story, a new perspective on Plovdiv's unique character. And standing proudly in the heart of the city, we find the Jumaya Mosque, a testament to centuries of cultural exchange. Built in the 15th century during the Ottoman era, this mosque is a powerful blend of history and faith. It replaced an older structure, and even before that, a Christian cathedral stood on this very spot. Plovdiv was a European capital of culture in 2019, further solidifying its reputation as a vibrant and dynamic city. This prestigious title helped to highlight Plovdiv's cultural significance and attract visitors from around the world. Now let's talk about Kapana. This is the creative heart of Plovdiv. It's a district filled with art galleries, independent shops, and a seriously buzzing nightlife. The energy here is electric. Whether you're looking for a cool cafe, a unique souvenir, or a night out on the town, Kapana has got you covered. If you're looking for a unique and unforgettable travel experience, put Plovdiv on your bucket list. You won't regret it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures. See you next time.